Today, I bring to you another user experience sharing of the new thin and light laptops under Honor's AI PC strategy. They are the Honor MagicBook 14 2026 and the Honor MagicBook 16 2026 series. The Honor MagicBook 14 2026 and Honor MagicBook 16 2026 series both feature a new thin, light, and elegant exterior design. The four corners of the top cover use the family-style rounded cut lines, while the dynamic waistline on the sides balances the inclusion of multiple ports with a thin and light visual effect. The wedge-shaped cut line on the base adds a sense of performance, paired with two color options, Nebula Gray and Dawn Clear. Among them, the Honor MagicBook 14 2026 weighs 1.39 kilograms, and the Honor MagicBook 16 2026 weighs 1.69 kilograms, with both machines being as thin as 16.9 millimeters. In terms of ports, the Honor MagicBook 14 2026 and Honor MagicBook 16 2026 series are fully equipped with two full-featured USB-C ports, two USB-A ports, an HDMI 2.1 port, and a 3.5mm 2-in-1 headphone and microphone jack. This is more than enough to meet daily needs without requiring an extra docking station. In terms of configurations, the Honor MagicBook 16 2026 is powered by the Intel Core Ultra X7 358H processor with a built-in new Intel Arc B390 GPU, so its performance is highly anticipated. With the strong support of Honor's OS Turbo X technology, the Honor MagicBook 16 2026 can achieve a maximum high-performance release of 88 watts. I used AIDA64 for a stress test here. During a 14 to 20-minute FPU single stress test, the CPU temperature was maintained at 86 degrees Celsius and power consumption stayed around 80 watts. For a thin and light laptop, this performance release is quite impressive. In terms of theoretical performance, it scored 2,007 points in Cinebench R23 single-core and 20,499 points in multi-core. The maximum single-thread score for the 3D Mark CPU profile is 101,195 points. The TimeSpy CPU score is 15,330 points, and the GPU score is 7,202 points. Compared to the Core Ultra 9 285H, these increased by about 30% and 89% respectively. In the Steel Nomad Lite test, the GPU score is 6,041 points, an increase of about 84% compared to the 3,237 points of the Core Ultra 9 285H. Judging from the theoretical performance tests, the GPU performance improvement of this generation's integrated graphics is massive. Additionally, the hard drive's read and write speed is also a key factor affecting the actual experience. The measured SSD read and write speeds of the Honor MagicBook 16 2026 are shown in the figure, and the performance is also quite good. How is the actual use of the Honor MagicBook 16 2026? I will test it out next. First, in daily office tasks, a 500 megabyte PowerPoint file like this can be opened instantly. Besides Office, another highly frequented software in many people's daily work is Photoshop. I tested editing a large 340 megabyte poster file in PS. For routine operations like color adjustment, making selections, overlaying filters, and zooming and positioning, it was very silky and smooth. Furthermore, regarding video, IT Home tried using CapCut to edit a 4K video segment, adding transitions and effects and exporting it. The entire process was very fluid. Engaging in daily gaming and entertainment is naturally a rigid demand for many. Can the Honor MagicBook 16 2026 handle this? Before starting the game tests, it must be mentioned that this 2.5K screen on the Honor MagicBook 16 2026 not only has 100% sRGB color gamut coverage, but also features an ultra-high refresh rate of 180 Hz, which is relatively rare among products in the same class. Additionally, eye protection has always been one of Honor's strengths. This time, Honor has also debuted the same AI defocus eye protection technology used in Honor's smartphones on a thin and light laptop. So how is the gaming experience with this screen? I tested CS2 at 1080p resolution, and the average frame rate reached 130 FPS, allowing for very smooth gameplay. Even for a highly demanding game like Cyberpunk 2027, it can achieve a performance of 58.71 FPS at 1080p. Keep in mind, this is a product positioned as a thin and light laptop. Beyond basic performance, the tuning of smart capabilities has always been an area of strength for Honor. The constantly evolving YOYO Assistant remains highly functional on the Honor MagicBook 16 2026. It supports quick and in-depth searches by integrating information across the web, and it also supports multimodal results outputs like images, text, and files, which is very convenient. Furthermore, regarding YOYO's system-level integration, in applications like browsers and Word, you can highlight words at any time to wake up YOYO to perform operations like translation and search. Besides the consistently useful YOYO, Honor has also brought a UI designed for AI this time, Magic World. This new UI is different from the default Windows desktop. Its visual effect is closer to the macOS style, being overall transparent and tidy, and it also debuts Honor's new generation generation of on-device model inference acceleration technology. In Magic World, it can provide system-level AI services anytime and anywhere. Like in office scenarios, it can provide AI summaries, AI mind maps, etc. based on open documents. While in meeting scenarios, it can also provide practical technologies like AI subtitles and omnidirectional noise-canceling voice pickup. Overall, the new Honor MagicBook 2026 series has already delivered a satisfying answer sheet in terms of basic experience. There are no base models, they are all premium. It not only easily handles heavy multitasking office work and creative design tasks, but can also run some popular mainstream games smoothly. Coupled with the high-quality, high refresh rate screen, the entertainment experience is equally excellent. However, what truly makes it stand out among products in its class is Honor's deeply cultivated smart capabilities. The evolved YOYO Assistant provides powerful cross-application information integration and processing capabilities, and the revolutionary Magic World innovates the interactive logic of Windows, deeply integrating system-level AI services into the workflow. For users pursuing efficient productivity, immersive entertainment experiences, and a taste of future AI interactions, the Honor MagicBook 2026 series is undoubtedly a highly competitive choice among products in the same class in the current market and is well worth recommending. All right, that's all for the content of this video. See you in the next video. Bye-bye.